Hey everybody, it's Rob at Ground Zero USA. Here I'm standing in front of a build we had done by A1 Audio out of Tulare, California. It's a rather large build in a rather small truck. It's SPL meets sound quality stuffed in a small package. So here we are inside of this 2024 GMC Sierra Single Cab. And on this vehicle we have the factory head unit still. So we're utilizing two Ground Zero 6-10 DSPs. One is Bluetooth signal straight in, daisy chained into the next DSP for signal source. Those then go onto the amplifiers. From there, the front stage, we're running Ground Zero nuclear 3-inch double drivers and double tweeters because it is an SQL type build. For mid-bass in the front doors, we're utilizing the competition CK200 8-inch mid-bass drivers isolated from the rear louds that are also in the door. The rear louds are Ground Zero Red Basket 8-inch Neo Pros with three 20N Pro Drive tweeters in the same door. So it's a little overkill, but when you have as much bass as this, you need that. In addition, moving to the rear, we have four more 8-inch Neo Pros with four more 20N Pro tweeters. But again, it's necessary to keep up with two Ground Zero nuclear X-Max 15s in a 6th order series tuned bandpass. All right, everybody, so a little bit more detail on this 6th order series tuned bandpass. It's about a 1.5 to 1 ratio. So we've got a low tune around 25 hertz on the rear chamber. Front chamber is tuned closer to 48 to 50 hertz. Modest airspace requirement, but it's taking all of 8K to the pair, so it gets down pretty well. Well, that was the look on our 2024 GMC Sierra build. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out to us.